Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, you will learn how to add name field and contact forms in WordPress. So let's get started with this video. Before getting started, ensure that you successfully install and activate the Formidable Forms plugins as we are using Formidable Forms for this tutorial. Now, all you need to do is click on Formidable here in the sidebar. You can see here this is the Formidable Forms window. We will create a new form to add name field in it. So to do that, click on Add New. You can even follow the same procedure to add name field in your existing contact forms. Here in the pop-up, select the form template from here as per your choice. Now, you need to give your form a title as per your requirement and click on Create. As you can see, this is the builder area and here you simply need to drag and drop the name field like this. Here on the left, you can see various standard fields which you can use as per your requirements. Now, let's configure the field settings. For example, you can edit the field label here. You can also make this field mandatory by checking this required box. Under Advanced Settings, you can check out other related field settings on your own. You can set the placeholder text. You can also set visibility and set label position. You can also set the validation message as per your requirement. Once done, simply click on Update and your form will be updated successfully. It's time to preview the form that we have made. Let me make a test entry here to show you the working of this field. The user must fill both the first name and the last name to submit the form, otherwise an error will be displayed like this. So this is how you can add name field in your contact forms in WordPress. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.